I'm going to teach you how to find the greatest common factor of two numbers. So I'm going to refer to the greatest common factor as GCF. Let's say we need to find the greatest common factor of 24 and 36. The first thing we need to do is we need to find the prime factorization of both numbers. So let's start with 24. We're going to use a factor tree to find the prime factors. So for 24, two numbers that give us 24 would be 4 times 6. Since both of those are composite numbers, we're going to keep on with our factor tree. Two factors that give us 4 is 2 times 2. And we know we can stop there because both of those are prime. Two numbers that give us 6 is 2 times 3. So we are left with only prime numbers. So our prime numbers for 24, I'm just going to rewrite them a little neater, is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now we need to do the same thing for 36. So two factors that give us 36 would be 6 times 6. Those are both composite, so we need to keep on going with our factor tree. Two factors that give us 6 would be 2 and 3. And you do the same thing for here. And I'm going to rewrite it down here to be a little neater. So we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now, after you do that, you look for the factors that these two numbers have in common. What I have the kids do is I have them circle the numbers that they have in common from our list. So these two are the same, these two are the same, and these two are the same. Now, after they have found these, the numbers that you circled, so we circled 2 and another 2 and a 3. We take these numbers and we just take one out of it. What I mean by that is, since we circled 2 2s in our first circle right here, I'm just going to take one of those 2s out because that's the factor that they have in common. You do the same thing here, and you do the same thing here. From here, these are the factors they have in common, so we're going to multiply them together. 2 times 2 is 4, and we're left with the 3, so I'm going to bring it down. 4 times 3 is 12. So the greatest common factor of 24 and 36 is 12, and that is our GCF, our greatest common factor.